Greetings from Test Prep Card. So, on the day of the examination, what basically are the important things that you have to do? That we have summed up over here in the form of 10 commandments, you can say, right? Follow these 10 points something, you shall not be into discomfort, right? So, on the day of the examination, this basically the guideline that has been issued by the NTA authorities, and here we are talking about the JEE main. Okay, we will do later about JEE advanced. So you need to reach the examination venue at least 1 hour prior, right? If you reach late, you will not be able to get into the examination hall. Second, you must carry your admit card along with the required document for the examination center, right? And we already told you the required document is a passport size photograph and then one valid identity proof which has been issued by the Government of India. Now, the third, except admit card and identity proof, please do not carry anything, right? That is a simple sort of burden for you, right? Or which is not required. You must follow the instruction while listening to the invigilator into the examination hall. It is also very important that by taking your seat into the examination hall at the right time, you need to follow all the instruction which is written in the answer sheet or in the question paper, right? Now, you must take your seat immediately after opening of the examination hall. You can log in and read instruction before the commencement of the examination. Now, what happens that the pen or pencil or the blank paper of rough work, it would be provided in the examination hall. You must write your name, your roll number at the top of your sheet, and then this sheet has also to be returned along with the response sheet or the answer sheet to the invigilator. After that, if you are appearing for JEE main paper 2, you must bring your own geometry box, pencil and erasers, okay? All color pencil or crayons, whatever is required, whatever is written in the JEE brochure. You should not be allowed to use watercolor on the drawing sheet. So use pencil, HB pencil of whatever color or the crayons. Now the thing is that you must enter the required details in the attendance sheet. You should put signature and you should paste a photograph that we mentioned earlier that you are carrying along with the admit card into the examination hall. And do not forget just to ensure your thumb impression, right? Whatever thumb impression you are putting wherever the invigilator instructs you to do, it should be clear and it not be a smudge on the attendance sheet. So these are the 10 points, 10 commandments that will keep you comfortable in the examination hall while going through the process of JEE main examination. Would request you, all of you, just to put your comment over here in the comment section so that we can get back to you. Thank you.